At PierTech Systems, innovation begins with engineering. Our experienced design engineers partner with you to evaluate soils, loads, and site conditions, laying the groundwork for a foundation you can trust. Once the design is right, we bring it to life through manufacturing. Using high-strength domestic steel, precision processes, and rigorous quality control, we produce foundation systems built to meet demanding job site conditions and code requirements. Those systems are engineered with installation in mind. Designed for efficient, predictable installs, they help save time, reduce labor, and perform in limited access or challenging environments. And through our training and certification program, we give you the confidence and expertise to install with certainty, no matter the industry or application. That's how PierTech works. Engineering, manufacturing, and installation, working in alignment from the first conversation to the final load. Our innovative product line supports projects of every scale, from standard helical piers for everyday applications to Hercules high-capacity piles for extreme loads, to our new Helimax grouted piles delivering maximum capacity in the toughest soil conditions. All supported by purpose-built installation equipment and torque monitoring systems designed to perform in the field. At PierTech, we are engineering-driven, contractor-focused, and proven in the field. PierTech Systems, from blueprint to bedrock.